Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video I will tell you how you can solve this problem of scanner. No page was found in the feeder. Here you can see the model of the scanner, Canon DR-C230. So this problem occurred due to some reasons. As you can see that I have fed the papers correctly, but not it is picking up the papers. Let's say again, and first of all I will check you the problem, then I will tell you how you can solve this problem. Scan more pages, and you can see that it only page scans and this sound is occurred. It is trying to pick up the papers but not picking up. You can listen the noise. If the same noise occurs, then you have to watch this video till the end. In this video I will tell how you can solve this problem. It is trying for long times, but it is in scanning form, and you can see that after a long time the same problem has been occurred. So how you can solve this problem? First of all, you have to turn off this scanner. You have to close the cover, and you have to open it from after pressing the open button. And here let's remove the pages from here. After removing the pages, here you can, and the opposite side of this ruler, here you can see that one thing. This is occurred due to this one. This is a plastic lever or paper level, paper guider, and you have to fix this paper guider here. Here you have to fix it under. You have to stuck it in under this one. Here you can see. It's okay. Now it has been fixed. After fixing, this problem will be solved. Here you can see that it has been fixed, and now it is in movable form. So let's again start it. Let's again power on. We just give the one page. You can just feed the pages, and let's try again. Scan more page. Here you can see that at once this paper is scanning now. So in this method you can solve this problem. If you find this video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Here you can see that the page is automatically scanned. Thanks for watching. Take care.